In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can pay an automated speeding ticket. So you want to go to paytickets.ca. From the drop down list, select your pay. Now this information will be on the letter that you received the ticket from. So once you select your pay, select continue. What are you paying? Select notice of fine and due date and then select continue. Here for the file number, your ticket number is at the top of the screen. So look at the top of your ticket number above where you see the picture of your car, right? You will see offense number. You are going to enter the number without hyphens and then select continue. Once your ticket number is correct, it will pull up your information. Specify the date of infraction which is on your ticket and then select continue. Confirm the details of the ticket are correct and then select confirm. Scroll down, enter your payment information and then select pay now. Once your payment is successful, you will see a receipt and a copy is also sent to your email. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.